If life gives you lemons, it turns out there's a lot more you can do than just make lemonade. This bright yellow citrus fruit is far more versatile than you might think. Lemons can improve your health, freshen up your home, and even enhance your beauty routine. With a little creativity, this bright yellow fruit can offer tons of benefits beyond the kitchen. Here's a closer look at how you can make the most of lemons in some surprising ways. Health booster for every day. You probably know that lemons are rich in vitamin C, but their health benefits don't stop there. Lemon juice contains antioxidants and is an anti-inflammatory that supports immunity and overall wellness. One simple habit that makes a big impact is drinking warm lemon water every morning. This hydrates your body and gives your digestive system a gentle wake-up call, helping to detoxify the liver and balancing your body's pH levels. Additionally, lemons contain a high concentration of citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones. Citric acid increases urine volume and makes it less acidic, creating an environment that is less hospitable to kidney stone formation. The potassium in lemons also balances calcium levels, which helps prevent stones from forming. So if you're prone to kidney stones, drinking lemon water every day is a simple way to help prevent them. If weight loss is your goal, lemon water might help there too. Lemons contain polyphenols that can help you to lose body weight and limit fat storage. Plus, a little lemon can add a burst of flavor to bland, health-focused dishes, so you're more likely to stick to a nutritious diet. Just remember not to overdo it though, as too much lemon juice can wear down tooth enamel. Natural beauty enhancer. Forget expensive skincare products and use lemons instead. They're abundant with beauty-boosting benefits. One of the most popular uses is as a natural skin brightener. Lemons are known for their mild bleaching effect, which can help fade dark spots and even out your skin tone. Just dab a bit of diluted lemon juice onto blemishes or dark spots. Be sure to rinse it off after a few minutes and avoid sun exposure right afterward, as lemons can make the skin more sensitive to sunlight. Lemon juice mixed with sugar can create a quick and effective exfoliator for the body. This do-it-yourself scrub can smooth rough areas like elbows, knees, and feet, helping to remove dead skin cells and leaving your skin soft and refreshed. Another neat trick is to use a lemon slice to brighten and whiten your nails naturally. This works especially well if you've been using dark nail polish and notice discoloration. For those with oily skin, diluted lemon juice can also act as a toner to help tighten pores and reduce shine. Follow up with a gentle moisturizer, as lemons can be drying. All-natural cleaning wonder. Tired of chemical-laden cleaners? Lemons offer a refreshing alternative. Thanks to their acidity and antibacterial compounds, lemons can tackle household cleaning in multiple ways. A quick and easy all-purpose cleaner can be made by mixing lemon juice with water and a splash of vinegar. Use this to wipe down countertops, sinks, and even stovetops for a naturally fresh-smelling clean that cuts through grease. For a sparkling microwave, fill a bowl with water, add lemon juice and the squeezed lemon halves, then microwave for a few minutes. The steam will loosen any caked-on food, making it easy to wipe away while the lemon juice leaves a fresh scent. And if your garbage disposal needs a refresh, toss in some lemon peels. They'll help eliminate odors and even work to clean the disposal blades. Laundry and fabric freshener. Lemons can come to the rescue on laundry day too. Their natural bleaching agents make them a great option for brightening whites without the harshness of bleach. Just add half a cup of lemon juice to your wash cycle to lift stains and brighten clothes. If you have sweat stains or other tough spots on white fabric, dab lemon juice directly onto the stain, leave it in the sun for a few hours, then wash as usual. For clothes that carry a musty smell, a splash of lemon juice or a few drops of lemon essential oil can freshen them up. The natural citrus scent is a great alternative to synthetic fragrances and helps neutralize any unpleasant odors. In the kitchen, more than just a flavor. In the kitchen, lemons go way beyond flavoring dishes. They're a go-to for keeping cut fruits and vegetables from browning. A squeeze of lemon juice over sliced apples or avocados helps slow down oxidation, keeping them fresher and more appealing for longer. Lemons can also help with tenderizing meat, thanks to their acidic content, which breaks down proteins in tougher cuts. If you're in the middle of baking and realize you're out of buttermilk, mix a tablespoon of lemon juice with a cup of milk and let it sit for a few minutes. You'll have a quick homemade substitute that's just as effective for fluffy pancakes or cakes. Lemons can even play a role in preserving homemade jams and jellies. A bit of lemon juice acts as a natural preservative, helping to maintain the color, flavor, and shelf life of your preserves without artificial additives. Lemons are proof that sometimes nature's simplest ingredients pack the biggest punch. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab a few extra lemons. You might be surprised by just how many ways they can brighten your day. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more health tips, and thanks for watching.